Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Blaze is a powerful web framework for building reactive web applications using Meteor. It provides a templating engine that allows developers to create dynamic and responsive user interfaces easily. Below is an overview of Blaze along with a simple code example to get you started. Overview of Blaze. Blaze is designed to be simple and intuitive, allowing developers to create templates that react to data changes automatically. It follows a declarative style of programming, where you define what the UI should look like based on the current state of the data. Key features of Blaze. 1. Reactive templates. Blaze automatically updates the UI when the underlying data changes. 2. Easy syntax. Blaze uses a simple HTML-like syntax to define templates, making it easy for developers to create complex UIs. 3. Integration with Meteor. Blaze is tightly integrated with Meteor, making it straightforward to build real-time applications. Setting up a Blaze project. Before you start, ensure you have Meteor installed. You can install it by following the official Meteor installation guide. 1. Create a new Meteor project. 2. Add Blaze, if it's not already included, but it should be by default. 3. Run the application. Building a simple Blaze application. Let's create a simple Blaze app that allows users to add and view tasks. Step 1. Define the HTML template. In your project directory, open the client/main.html file and replace its contents with the following. Step 2. Create the JavaScript logic. Now, let's handle the logic for adding tasks. Open client/main.js and add the following code. Step 3. Run your application. Now that you've set up your HTML and JavaScript, you can run your application. 1. Start the Meteor server. 2. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You should see your task list application. Conclusion. You've just built a simple task list application using Blaze in Meteor. This example illustrates how to create a reactive UI that updates automatically when the data changes. Blaze's templating system and integration with Meteor make it a powerful choice for building real-time applications. Additional resources. Meteor documentation, https://docs.meteor.com. Blaze documentation, https://blazejs.org. Feel free to expand upon this example by adding features such as deleting tasks or marking them as completed. Happy coding!